I have this Corsair and brand new casing, which is Corsair 400D. I was going to install the 360mm at the front as Corsair is specified it's compatible. This is, by the way, Deepcool Castle 360EX radiator or AIO. The problem I'm having is, once radiator installed with the fans, you can see dust filter, two holes where the dust filter mounting, these two mounting brackets. You can install the dust filter. So you can see you can install. No clearance at the front on top of the radiator, no clearance at all. Let me brighten up a little bit. So basically radiator pushing the AIO panel connector, so there's no space to go up. So we have a problem. We have a problem here. We have a problem here. Once 360 radiator installed, you can install the dust filter. So that's something Corsair need to improve. I hope Corsair will see this video. I'm not sure. So I'm letting you know, people who are watching this video, if you are planning to buy Corsair 4000D, this is the 4000D model, 360 radiator, you can install with bit of a struggle, but definitely you will not be able to get the dust filter installed. So keep that in mind if you are going to purchase this PC casing.